1.821/5.000. Benda announced yesterday that it will launch a CVT automatic transmission version of the Greystone 250. Many motorcyclists are eager to see when the Benda will launch. The Greystone 250 CVT offers a new urban aesthetic with its diffused taillights. The fuel tank has softer edges that blend more harmoniously with the body, and the handlebar mirrors have been replaced with the long, eccentric axle design of the Chinchilla 500. While the overall styling is more in line with the Greystone 707, some users find its lines less harmonious. The vehicle is equipped with a 250 cubic centimeters engine and a CVT continuously variable transmission. Power and smoothness are perfectly tuned, making the ride smoother and vibration control better than the manual version. It is suitable for urban commuting and novice riding. Some configurations from the Chinchilla 250, such as Bosch's 10th generation dual-channel ABS plus TCS traction control system, front inverse shock absorbers, and rear dual-barrel shock absorbers, are expected to remain. This allows for better safety protection and shock absorption. The seat height is likely to remain the same as the standard model's 720mm seat height. This makes the model suitable for beginners, allowing riders up to 172 centimeters tall to place their feet flat on the ground. The riding triangle balances power and comfort with forward-mounted pedals providing legroom. However, the flat handlebar design causes the upper body to lean slightly forward, which can lead to shoulder pain on longer rides. The official launch of the bike will be on September 19th. Customers who order during the pre-sale period will receive free maintenance for 1 year or 10,000 kilometers, as well as 2 years of network service.